Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the duplicator and the original remote. This matters because unstable power spoils reads. Once done, set the duplicator to the learning or read mode labeled on its panel. Make sure the original remote's battery is strong. Weak signals fail. Place the two devices close, about 1 to 2 inches, and press the duplicator's read button while immediately pressing a button on the original remote. This captures the waveform. If you see LED feedback, you've successfully read the code. Now you analyze the read. Check the duplicator's display or LED pattern to confirm code type and length because protocols differ. Next, choose which button on the blank remote you will program. Select it on the duplicator interface so you don't overwrite. Switch the unit into write or transmit mode. Press and hold the target button on the blank while the duplicator transmits the captured code. Keep both units steady and wait for the success LED or beep. This signifies a proper write. Finally, verify the new remote by testing each button at the normal operating distance. Don't assume one success covers all functions. If a button fails, retry the read and write steps, replace batteries, and reduce distance to rule out weak signals. For rolling code systems, follow the original device's pairing sequence, often pressing specific buttons in order, because simple copying won't work. One key troubleshooting tip: if reads fluctuate, move away from Wi-Fi routers or metal objects.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.